All right, guys, so today we've got a W204 C63 AMG. It has a failed steering lock. This is the factory lock here. Okay, it's been removed from the steering column. And this is an emulator that we programmed. Now, when you have this issue and you put the key into the ignition switch, the dashboard does not light up with red and yellow lights. Okay? If it was installed in the car, when I put the key in, you would hear a ding, and you would also see a message that says take key from ignition. That's with the driver door open. If the driver door is closed, this is what you would see, nothing on the dashboard. So you turn it to the right, and you see there's no response from the instrument cluster because it doesn't have a steering lock right now. Okay, when we hook up a emulator that is programmed to the ignition switch, it will come to life. We already programmed this steering lock emulator for this vehicle. I'm going to show you what happens when you have a steering lock. Okay, steering lock is now plugged in. Okay, now when you put the key in, the light turns green if it's programmed correctly. It stays red if it's not programmed correctly. And you turn the key once, we see an SRS light, and we see lights coming on, and then we go to the position 2, and now you've got all your red and yellow dash lights on. Okay, so this is ready to go. This means that we have passed the drive authorization stage because we have a good key, a good ignition switch, and now a good programmed ESL emulator. Okay, and this is what we recommend using. We don't recommend using a new programmed one of these because it will fail inside of 2 years. They don't have new motors from Germany for these anymore. Any new motor that you get in one of these, a rebuilt steering lock, even from the Mercedes-Benz dealership, is going to come with a Chinese motor inside. They don't have the ones from Germany anymore. They're not making them anymore. Okay. Instead, I recommend a good quality steering lock emulator like the one that we provide here at Mercedes-Benz Specialist. So this car is now ready to start. If it was installed in the vehicle, we could turn the key and it would start the car. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.